welcome to this class where I'm about to install this program here. So what I would do is I'll be in the terminal, then from the terminal I'll go to the GitHub repository, then I'll clone this program. Then the third thing I need to do is just install the reference Bible and the map. So in order to do that, let's minimize this. So I'm in my terminal here. So the first thing is I need to find a place where to install this. So for that, we are going into this folder where I put all my files. Then I'll make a directory. I'll call it eBible. Then we'll go inside that folder. So as I said, we need to do GitHub to clone it. So to do that, we'll go git clone https and is GitHub. So it will be github.com. Then it's called crosswire or crossfire. Then the name of the program we want, then .git. Let's give it a go. Yeah, so it's downloading. It will take a few minutes. So let's list our directory. So that's the program. Let's go into the folder and clear the screen here. So those are the programs in there. So to install, what we need to do is do cmake, then with a capital S, then capital B, then build, then capital D, and we type also cmake build, then type. So we are using cmake to do all that. So to release, then install, then prefix, equals, so it will go in the folder, I believe, user, HTML on. So that's the command. Let's test the command here. So it says CMake is not found. So do apt install CMake. So we are installing CMake. So CMake is installed. Let's go back to our long command here. CMake error. I'm not sure. There might be. Let's do. There we are. So we needed to do that full stop. So we'll do make C build. So there's a space here. So do make C build install. Okay, so it looks like we have to go into the actual build directory, then do list again, then make C. There's no such a file. Let's try again. Make build. Okay. Let's come out of that. Then let's issue this command. Okay. So there was no joy there. Let's go back to the first command and see. So configure incomplete errors. Okay, let's do it this way. Apt install. Okay. So let's try just to fire it up from here. So I've got the program here running. So here it says there are no Bible installed. In order to initialize the module with the permission of module manager, so we may need to install that. So for us to install it local in the module source, add a new location folder, name where modules can be found. So we haven't got any modules. I think there's for network install. In the module source, choose remote button, then select crosswire. In either case, in the module install update, select Bible preference install. So put it on this side here. Then we have got the overview module manager. Let's do OK. So this is the actual program. This is the module manager. Let's click, then install. Let's refresh, install. Yeah, so let's get the Bible here. So that's Bible text. So let's just install. So we have got a devotion journal box. We can even install map. So here it says it has finished. So let's look at the modules. Let's do add. Already the name already exists. Okay, refresh. So refresh again. Okay, let's see .NET. Yeah, so it's installing the .NET framework. This one I've noticed is closed. Let's see if we can be able to get also that one. Here it says it has finished. So let's choose the dictionary here just to see. I've noticed it's taking a little while. Let's go for this. Let's see now. Let's close this. Bible module installed complete. Okay, so the Bible is installed, and that's the program here, which is great. So everything is installed now. That's the Bible. In the next video, I'll just go just to show you some other things we can be able to do. So I thank you for viewing.